Welcome to Mike Parts Online, the perfect place for all your mechanical parts and accessories for your side-by-side, ATV, and snowmobile. Our team is here to assist you with your inquiries and answer any questions you may have. With over 200 vehicles dismantled annually, we offer an extensive inventory of over 95,000 references sourced from recent vehicles. With our expertise since 2012 and passion for motorsports, we provide the best value for money, ensuring your vehicles remain in perfect working condition. Visit MikePartsOnline.com. Search for your parts by OEM manufacturer number directly in the search bar. It's easy and fast. We offer fast and reliable worldwide delivery service. At Mike Parts Online, your satisfaction is our priority.